Our machine is more flexible in operation and can adjust the grinding angle. The tungsten electrode container is stored above to fix the electrode to make grinding more stable. The lower part is the discharge port for easier cleaning of residues. It has good heat dissipation, which greatly reduces the probability of overheating of the machine after working for a long time. The machine uses 220 voltage, which has lower requirements on the working environment and makes your work more convenient. We provide multiple replacement parts with the machine to avoid the problem of not having timely replacement of parts when there is a problem with the machine. The machine also comes with a transparent protective cover to prevent powder from flying around during work. The power cord defaults to a European plug. We can also replace it according to customer needs. Our packaging uses cushion packaging to avoid collisions with the goods during transportation, which may cause problems with the machine.